Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, March 12th, 2023. And what I have today is a Hunter baseball fan. Now, I can't get too excited about these fans just because they're so ubiquitous. I mean, you turn on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or pretty much anything, and it's going to be flooded with these. You'll see at least a couple of them every time you turn that on. Usually they've been running around 25 to $50 depending on the condition. I acquired this one for free, and it was also in my town. So you factor in those things. If there was a long drive, I wouldn't have gotten it. If there was, if they were charging for it, I wouldn't have bothered. But it is cool because it is a top mount spinner. And this one's actually was manufactured February of 1995. Started off on, I believe it starts off on high. This fan does have a die-cast catcher's mitt housing. Also has a 100-watt baseball globe light, top-mounted blades, and a home plate sealing applique, which I do have, but I just had nothing to stick it to. So it was a decent amount of air. Let's see, try it on medium now. And as far as performance, there's a motor size of 153 by 12 millimeters, 12%, 12-degree blade pitch. A cubic feet per minute of air moved on high is 4,800, medium 2,500, and low 1,500 at 210, 150, and 90 RPMs respectively. It draws 75 watts on high, 16 on medium, and 7 on low. 6 amps on high, 2 on medium. I'm sorry, 0.2 on medium and 0.2 on low, 0.6 on high. The sealing the switch housing bottom is 11 inches. Sealing the blade bottom is 8.5 inches. Canopy height is 2.4. Housing diameter is 12. Canopy diameter is 5.20. Sealing to fixture bottom is 17.5. And I have to apologize, I'm recovering from the flu, so my voice is struggling. Length is 20.90, width is 13.20, height is 7.80, cubage is 1.25 cubic feet, weight is 17.2 pounds. You can fit 32 of these onto a pallet in case you're dying to find out. And 1,800 of these onto a 40-foot shipping container, and they are made in Thailand. It's kind of a refreshing break considering most newer fans were made in China. Granted, it's not that new. It is almost 30 years old now. But and now for the spin down. You can actually reverse the blades. I'll show you once the fan stops. From the regular wood bats to aluminum bats on the other side. The screws were already put in place in the holders, so I just and this I just the one that the previous owner seems to have had, so I rolled with that. Maybe I will show the I will show them with the aluminum side down at a later date. All right, but I will show you now the upward version of it. You can see the aluminum. Yeah, I didn't knock myself out to clean up. Just wiped them down a bit, some Windex, but. Yep, top mount spinner. There's the information placard. It's the best I can do, teetering over the, step stool. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.